Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, I'm expert plumber Graham with Urban Piping. On today's question for our Garburator segment, will Garburator blades cut my hand? I don't know. Let's find out. It's not cutting me yet. So, as long as the Garburator is not on, the blades will not cut your hands, but they actually work on a grinding function. So they actually grind whatever's in them, and the blades are actually on the very bottom of the Garburator, which will, when the grinders spin, pushes everything through it, kind of like a cheese grater. So if you stick your hands actually in there, you're not going to hurt yourself, but if they are spinning, they will grind your hand. So that would probably be pretty painful. It won't be like the videos on like Scary Movie or something where you stick your hand down and your hand just disappears. It's not going to be like that. It'll probably just break your finger. But bottom line, you will not cut your hands by sticking your hand in a Garburator.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Poly B. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.